Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will provide you with step-by-step troubleshooting steps to resolve the Mistplay error code 433-708265. If you're experiencing this issue, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Update the Mistplay app. First, ensure that you have the latest version of the Mistplay app installed on your device. Go to your preferred app store, Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and check for any available updates. If an update is available, download and install it, then restart the app to see if the error persists. Step 2. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for Mistplay to function properly. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or that your mobile data is active. You can test your connection by opening a different app or website to see if it loads successfully. Step 3. Clear app cache. Android devices. If you're using an Android device, clearing the app cache may help resolve the error. Go to your device's settings, then navigate to Apps and find Mistplay. Tap on it, then select Storage and choose Clear Cache. Restart the app afterward to see if the issue is fixed. Step 4. Reinstall the app. Sometimes a fresh installation can resolve persistent errors. Uninstall the Mistplay app from your device, then visit your app store to download and install it again. Once reinstalled, log back into your account and check for the error. Step 5. Check for system updates. Ensure that your device's operating system is up to date. Go to your device's settings and look for system updates or software updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Restart your device after the update and open Mistplay again. Step 6. Contact Mistplay support. If none of the steps above work, it may be time to reach out to Misplay's customer support. Visit the Mistplay website or check the app for a support section where you can submit a request or get in touch directly. Provide them with the error code and a detailed description of the issue for better assistance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button on this video. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you resolve the Mistplay error code 433-708265.